Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today we have dropped on to Ramaya College campus. I found it one of the famous dhaba inside this college campus. So the dhaba name is Chai Wala the Dhaba. So they are actually famous for tandoors and some of the chicken curries and gravies. So let's go inside and check out what is so special of this dhaba. Hi Neha, how are you doing? All good. So, yeah, thanks a lot. So, what is the USP dish of this Chai Wala the Dhaba?
We serve something called the pizza pakoda.
Okay. Pizza pakoda.
Pizza pakoda.
Okay.
Yes. The name suggests pizza as in with Italian flavors, and that's something that we don't get in Bangalore or anywhere.
Okay.
We have had like really good reviews on the pizza pakoda, and we would really like you to taste it.
Okay. And whatever the dhaba, serves, that is all you people serve, right?
Yes, of course. We do serve tandoori chicken, and our USP is butter ghee tandoori chicken,
Okay.
which is a traditional tandoori chicken mixed with lot of butter, cream, and some flavors of kasturi methi, which is fennel-free. And I'm sure you will love the taste of butter ghee tandoori, which
Okay.
goes very well with maybe 2 portions of rumali roti or a butter naan.
Right.
So it's a must-have Chai Wala dhaba, which you should try. And apart from that, we have excellent variety of lassis. Kullar lassi is something which is our customers' favorite, so I would definitely serve that for you. Then our parathas are, we are from Punjab, so
Right.
our flavors are
Quite
authentic
different.
Punjabi
Yes.
parathas. All our parathas are, made with that indigenous taste of the state.
Right.
So you should try our varieties of parathas also, which again I will be serving to you. And then something like dal makhni, paneer butter masala, butter chicken, which is the favorite of all the Punjabis around, all the North Indian cuisine.
Right.
It's an integral part of North Indian food, and we serve that pretty well.
So, from how many years is Chai Wala the Dhaba is running in this campus?
So we are here since more than 2 years now, and we have been favorites of the youth here. The college crowd, the doctors, everyone love our food.
Right.
Actually, we started as Chai Wala, which was a cafe kind of concept in Koramangala
Right.
block. And then we started our Chai Wala here inside the Ramaya campus. And gradually we grew into the dhaba concept because people started liking our food.
Yes, most of the students are from North India, especially in this campus.
Exactly.
Right.
So our motive was to give them the authentic food that we could. And apart from this, our restaurant is not something where it's a weekend kind of place.
Right.
We believe that every day these students who are there from different parts of the country should get their taste. And just not targeting the North Indian crowd, even people from Bangalore, they come here, they enjoy the rajma chawal, chole chawal that we serve. It's filling, it's tasty, and you get ghar ka khana kind of taste.
Taste.
So we believe in that. So and we serve thalis also for the crowd here, because lunch is somewhere where most of these people, they come from away from their families.
Right.
They miss.
They stay in
the proper-
hostels and all stuff.
Yeah, and they don't get that thali kind of taste in Bangalore or maybe closer to this locality. So we believe in serving them that the tasty food that they can, and they won't miss home.
But
That's
to be frank, guys, first when they told me it's inside Ramaya campus, I thought it might be something like a canteen type. But once I visited this place, this was really very colorful. So I need to wait for another 10 or 15 minutes. They are preparing a fresh food for me. So I'm literally very much hungry. Guys, he is the restaurant manager. Eagerly wanted to come in our video. So Tiger, his name is Tiger. दादा यहाँ पे क्या sales?
This one paneer pizza pakoda. This one pakoda platter. This one chola bhatura. Paneer butter masala.
Guys, this is tandoor chai. They have served us in this ceramic cup. It's really very hot to hold itself, and the climate is really very cold because it's evening. Wow. The ginger flavor is really very dominating, and slightly the tandoor smell is there when you're having that tea. As days are moving, something unique things are coming up in life. Something like tandoor tea and all. This is like first time for me. In Corona time, having ginger tea is like really good. And in tandoor chai, they have mixed slightly ginger. So the ginger taste is there. And I asked them for sugarless. So sugarless. It's perfect. Guys, this is pizza pakoda, a very unique dish which is not served anywhere in Bangalore, as they told us. The mayonnaise has been spread generously, and on top of that they have put some cheese. So let me have the first bite. The mayonnaise taste is really very dominating. Inside mayonnaise, the cheese taste is just amazing. They have used cottage cheese, and inside they have spread some butter chicken masala. Outside batter is really very crisp. It's been almost like 5 minutes, but still it's hot and very crisp. The cheese has melted out well here and there. The onion and the capsicum taste is there. So this is really tasting fantastic, guys. They have 3 varieties in this. One is veg, paneer, and next is as chicken. Third one is completely veggies. Different types of veggies is going to be getting spreaded inside this pakoda pizza. This is so damn soft and it's tasting fantastic, guys. Once you have a bite, the entire masala, it's gonna be completely filled inside the mouth. And the batter, crispiness is also fantastic. Guys, this is dal makhni. Lot of cream is being used in this dal makhni, and some fried capsicum as toppings, as well as coriander leaves. The smell is really fantastic. They have given me a butter tandoori roti. I'm damn sure this will be tasting really good. The dal is really very good, and the creamy texture, the gravy is fantastic. Slightly sweetness, slightly spiciness, and that fried capsicum and coriander leaves taste, a very good combination with this dal makhni. Wow. And this buttery tandoor roti, slightly saltness is there because of butter, and the tomato puree taste in this dal makhni is really good. The dal has been cooked well. Once you keep that dal in the mouth, it's completely getting isolated without chewing itself. It is so tasty. At last, you are gonna be getting the taste of the garlic as well as the sweet onions. Guys, this is patiala chicken. On top, they have put a half-boiled omelette. I hope that might get cut easily. The half-boiled omelette, once I put this spoon, the yolk is completely getting smudged in the curry. Oh, 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 oh. Let me put the curry first, then break the omelette. White sesame seeds is being sprinkled on top. The taste of this is in next level, because in this they haven't used cream. This is plain curry type, but on top they have put an half-boiled egg. So I've taken half-boiled egg omelette. Guys, the egg taste is not at all available because the curry is being completely filled. The gravy is really very rich in taste. This bite, I'm definitely going to be trying a tandoor chicken piece. First, they are going to be doing a tandoor. Next, they are going to be salting that tandoor chicken in this curry. They have marinated chicken for a very long period of time. Garam masala and coriander powder. Taste is really very dominating. And they have used proper desi ghee. The ghee smell is there. When you are eating, the taste is also there. The tandoor chicken is just getting separated from bone because they have used curd, and on top of that this has been salted with this patiala gravy, so it is tasting in next level. The spices whatever has been added for chicken as well as for this curry, my god, it has come out so well. The chicken is slightly roasted because of tandoor. Guys, this is Buttery tandoori chicken. They have given us in wheel cart, something very unique. Guys, first time I'm not trying curry in plate. I'm trying in this wheel cart itself. The butter taste is at next level, and the cream is really very rich. My god, it is just tasting so damn good. The cream is so thick. And the butter flavor, my god, next level of taste. Even in this tandoor chicken, after salting the gravy in the butter has completely entered the meat. Even this is like completely like buttery and very juicy. In almost all Punjabi dishes, either they use butter or else ghee. That is the one speciality of Punjabis. But their gravies will be, guys, trust me, it will be so damn rich as well as tasty. In this buttery tandoori chicken, they have just used 70% of butter and rest 30% of cream, I think so. Leaving that there is no taste of spices, whatever they have used. They have done it so professionally, like a 5-star hotels itself. Guys, after a long time, I'm taking a customer review in this dhaba. Yes, Vamshi, how is this restaurant? Because I heard that you are a regular customer of this dhaba.
This is not like a restaurant, these people are like my family.
Okay, so whatever you ask, they are going to be preparing you freshly and they're
Yeah.
going to be giving you. Okay, most of the times, which dish you have tried?
I'm a vegetarian. The thing which I love here is paneer biryani.
Okay,
I just love it.
okay,
And even the main course will be good, like paneer Hyderabadi,
Okay.
paneer lababdar,
okay.
paneer do pyaza, paneer butter masala, tandoori roti.
Okay. Guys, after a long time, I had almost like 7 to 8 tandoori rotis. To be frank, the curry was really very good. All 3 curries, whatever they served me, it was just classic. The quality, whatever they have used in the curry, for example, like butter or ghee, it's all like branded one. After a long time, to be frank, I had a authentic Punjabi curries. It was really a very good experience. Of the tandoor chai also. I'll be mentioning the location as well as price list in the description part. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye. Take care. See ya.